Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter for you today. So this is from a Facebook group, and it's a happy birthday one. So yeah, I just used my Julie Nutting dolls images and a couple of Gorgeous Girl images. And I just made this pocket letter. And I included some gemstones in here and some enamel dots in behind. And then I made some tags. I just clipped it because they tend to slide out, so I'll put them there. And a T, more tags, and these are cork. The back part is cork, and then there's an image. They're like stickers. And these are little wooden birds and butterflies. See the picture on the front? The picture on the front is glued to the front. So I glued the pocket shut. So I just cut a little slit in the back of it. So all she has to do is take the tape off and slide the items out without messing up the front. And then my friend sells 31 items, and she had a whole bunch of nail files left over. So she gave me a bunch of those. And then I got some tape here, another tea bag, some sparklies. I do love these, but they're just too small for me to use. I end up getting them everywhere. So I thought, oh, I'm just gonna give them away. So yeah, so I got those. And then I got a 2-year planner. And then I got a 31 magnet bookmark. Yeah, so it just folds over the pages. Yeah, and it's magnetic. So it holds your spot, so you don't have to worry about it sliding out of the book and losing your spot, because it'll hold. And then I got some gemstones, and then I got some stickers. I've got some cars, happy faces, fruits and vegetables, and another set of happy faces. So I think it's pretty good for a birthday pocket letter. She gets all the stuff for her birthday, and there's stuff she can use, for another pocket letter. And she can do her nails and have a nice cup of tea and just relax. So yeah, so this is my birthday pocket letter from my Facebook group, and yeah, later.